Nvidia sees several price target upgrades from analysts ahead of its August 19th earnings report. You may have heard of that yourself. And here on Charles Schwab, we have some news headlines on Nvidia's summary page. So we're just going to have a quick look at them before we look at other things. And this one says, okay, this is page 2. So let's return to page 1 and see. Okay, let's go back to page 2. There isn't anything there. Okay, this one is this upgrade. This news is from Oppenheimer, and it says Oppenheimer raises Nvidia's price target to $500 from $400. Oppenheimer's raised its price target for Nvidia by $100 to $500 and get its outperform rating ahead of what is expected to be positive Q2 results. The higher price target reflects the likely tailwinds from gaming, datacenter / AI accelerators, and autonomous vehicles, all of which should offset slowing growth in the cloud segment of the company's business. Looking ahead, Oppenheimer sees autonomous vehicles as Nvidia's next major growth opportunity, while gaming is poised for a healthy H2 in light of the positive thesis for the company. Oppenheimer remains a long-term buyer of the stock. Okay, and this is Susquehanna raises Nvidia's price target to 540 from 450. And any other upgrades? I believe I saw up to 3 of them. And this is where they're talking about their bid to acquire ARM, the UK-based ARM. Okay, this is Wells Fargo, and Nvidia has an average buy rating among analysts with an average price target of $396. Okay, so let's return to a few fundamentals here, and it has a price range of $159 to $493. Average volume is 8.8 million shares for the last 10 days. Put call ratio, we have a 0.4, indicating that there are more calls in the options pit. That is also the case for the 30-day. This is for 1 day. This is for 30 days. So they are 0.4 and 0.5 respectively. It has a market cap of 284.5 billion. Market enterprise value of 275.1 billion. Shares outstanding 615 million. So and on top of that, the average volume is 8. So that is very small volume for the last 10 days. And then shares held by institutions 70%, short interest 1%. We can always see what the latest of that is. And still the same thing, 1.05%. Not a very good, percentage. Okay, and then down here you can see in the last 1 month it has gained 13.3%, 36%, and all these other S&P derivatives or components have been trading at less that value or thereabout. The closest to that is the S&P U.S. information technology, as you can expect. That should also be doing pretty much okay as well. So, but all of them are very much in the positive. Even the S&P is in the positive. But this is a global. I mean, you can expect the global information tech component of the S&P and the U.S. information component will be doing well. Yes, they are, but not as much as Nvidia itself. So for the last 6 months, it's been up 59.62%. For the last 1 year, 210.92%. Okay, you have some popular ETFs that are holding the stock, and we really need to read out what they make. They focus on personal computer graphics processing unit, GPU, and also artificial intelligence. It operates through two segments: GPU and Tegra processor. Its GPU product brands are aimed at specialized markets, including GeForce for gamers, Quadro for designers, Tesla and DGX for AI data scientists and big data researchers, and Grid for cloud-based visual computing users. Its Tegra brands integrates an entire computer onto a single chip and incorporates GPUs and multi-core central processing units to drive supercomputing for mobile gaming and entertainment devices, as well as autonomous robots, drones, and cars. The company's processors has created platforms that address 4 markets: gaming, professional visualization, data center, and automotive. Its offerings include Nvidia DGX AI supercomputer, the Nvidia Drive AI car computing platform, and the GeForce Now cloud gaming service. Okay, and then we have some ratings here. These are the ratings we have. There might be more, but the how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then out of this 7, there we'll consider this the most positive of all the ratings, and then this is that. So out of that 7, it has 3 full marks out of 7, so which is not up to 50%. So I wouldn't say that the analysts, even though we have read out that they're upgrading the price targets and all that stuff, I wouldn't conclude that based on this number of ratings. There might be more that they are bullish on Nvidia. This is the Morningstar report, and let's see if there's more ratings anywhere. So, but this rating might be a bit old now. By the time the results come up by the end of the trading on Wednesday, the 19th, some things here might be slightly out of date. Okay, we will include the link to this rating for you in the description box below. So we will go over here to the charts, and you can see what's going on here. It has continued to climb since its lowest peak of late, which yes, lowest peak since this year 2020. This is that peak, that low point was $191.83. So since that time it has continued to climb, even though of course I might see over there that it's just some slight sideways movement, but it has continued to climb. It's just without any doubt, there's nothing to there isn't any ambiguity here. There's just it has been bullish. It has been looking out positively since the 13th of March 2020. Is that since the 16th of March? That was the last time it saw that low for the year 2020. That was the last time. And then of late, of course, today on Friday the 14th, it's closed at $460.67, and then it has added about $33, which is about close to about 6% or thereabout. Obviously, with their price targets upgrades and stuff like that, So what is also interesting is that in as much as it has never dropped below its short-term trend line, it has also seen that it has that trend line, which is in this case the 20-day moving average, has been a source of support, on various occasions. So we have that here as 1, 2, 3. So it has had that as support 3, even 4, can even include that 5. So since April, it has been trying to, has attempted to drop below that short-term trend line, and that's never occurred. So, but that some analysts, some market participants might also see that might see that attempt to drop below that short-term trend line as an indication that it is enough pullback, enough cooling for them to join the fray again, or return to the fray, or change their opinion about their negative impression, or to reverse their negatives and sentiments. So on those occasions, you can see it rose. You can see that it's rose again, and there again it rose, and here again it slightly moved. It moved sideways. It just within 1 day it moved sideways, and then thereafter it rose again, and then here again, which is that was the 28th of July, it rose again, and this wasn't that close enough, that of the 11th of August. Okay, and then you can see what's going on here as well. The MACD is looking up positively, not as much as it was looking as at the 22nd of May. Yeah. Okay, so who knows what's going to happen? We have seen some serious upward momentum for Nvidia now, and we Thursday, or rather the close, the aftermarket trading on Wednesday is a period to watch, and indeed the following day, which is and the 20th of August, when it's expected that the results will be positive. So what would you do? Do you think you will wait for the results to come out before you join in? Okay, so let's see if now let's try and look back now. Today's the 19th, so if we subtract 90 days from today, what would that give us? Let us see what happened. The last time they announced this sort of outcomes. Okay, let's see. This is 19th, so we're going back. July, June, so that will be July, August, July, August. So let's see, June, July, August. So, okay, the last time they must have done that was in May. So let's see what's happening in May 19th. Let's see what's going on. This is 1st of May. This is 11th of May. This is 18th of May. This is so see 18th, 19th, 18, 19. It was trending up, and even you see the time series forecast at that time was also overshot. It overshot the price line, price curve. So that's yes. So it was trending upwards. So, but even on the 20th, it was reached it reached the peak for this year, 2020, and then on the 21st, it pulled back a bit and then continued. So, well, going by what happened the last 2 months, that was May, and we can see that it continued to progress on. So if we have to look back again, another 3 months, that will be in February in 20th. That is, yes, you can see February 19th. This is February 13th, February 14th, 18, 19, it peaked, and then 20th it dropped and dropped. So well, prior to that, to the earnings outcomes, it peaked, and after that it dropped. That was in February. So, but that was also the case in May, but it was just a very minor, very modest correction. So, well, if that is enough data for you to make a decision, you decide. You can probably find more data to reference elsewhere. Okay, thank you again for watching this video, and don't fail to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.